Hi there, it's Beth, the product specialist here at Userback. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Userback Browser Extension. The extension lets you capture bugs straight from your browser and works seamlessly across secure pages. It's perfect for teams like QA, product, dev, and support. The Userback Browser Extension helps you capture better feedback with less effort. It works anywhere you work, including secure environments, and lets you instantly save screenshots, videos, and technical information, so your team spends more time on solving problems and less time documenting them. Getting started takes about 10 seconds. Just head to the Chrome Web Store and search for Userback. Once it's installed, pin it so it's always just one click away. Then log in with your Userback account, or use your team's extension key. Either way, you're in and ready to start capturing feedback. Now let's take a look at what you can do. When you click the extension, you're able to capture video recordings, either the full desktop or the current tab, or a screenshot for a selected area, the current tab, or the entire page. I'm going to select current tab, and then it will take me to the capture screen. From here, you can change the feedback type, the priority, assign it to someone in your team, add a category, add a title, and leave a comment. You can also add annotations to the screenshot, including pin comments, as well as highlighting and arrows. When your feedback's ready, just press submit. You can also access your Userback inbox directly from the extension. If something needs your attention, just open it. And this will open it in the inbox and you can manage the ticket right away. Everything you need is in one place, so you can stay focused on your work. Thanks so much for watching. If you're ready to make feedback faster and clearer, install the Userback Browser Extension and start capturing better feedback today.